The National Weather Service in New York City has issued a storm surge warning, which is in effect until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Locations: coastal areas of New York. Timing: storm surge is expected through early this evening. Storm surge: there is danger of flooding from 6 to 12 feet above ground level in the warned area. A storm surge warning means that the potential of dangerous storm surge is imminent or occurring. Residents in the coastal area should prepare for flooding and take appropriate action to protect life and property. Boaters should seek safe harbor until the threat passes. To repeat, a storm surge warning is in effect until 6 p.m. for the following locations: coastal areas of New York.